Good morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. So you have English textbook now. Please take that one. Okay, children. All of you took your textbook, children. Next, in that, open page number 17. Okay, children. So in that page number 17, there is a poem about morning time. So children, you will wake up early in the morning, no? Now children, you will wake up early in the morning. So this is the poem about morning time. Children, I read this poem, so listen carefully. Early to bed and early to rise keeps a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Rising early morning gives us good start as our mind is fresh and free from any distractions. Do you wake up early in the morning, children? So, you must go early to bed and you must rise in the morning early. So, it will keep us healthy and will be wealthy and wise also. If we rise up early, so our mind will be fresh and will be free. So, if you rise early and you can read that, if you are reading, that will keep in our mind like that only. No, children? So, you are waking early in the morning, no, children? So, I'll read this poem. Listen carefully. Awake, my pet, what slumbering yet? When the day so warm and bright, the flowers that wept before they slept over the darkness of a stern night have listened long to the lark's wild song and awoke with the morning light. So, this author is saying, get up early, my children, my child, you are sleeping again still. So, this day is warm and it is bright and the flowers are all opened before they slept and in the darkness also, in the night. So, you are listening one song, that is to the lark. While song means lark means a kind of bird. So, it will be singing sweetly, melodiously. So, when it sings, it will awoke in the morning in the light. Again and again, through the window pane, the jasmine flowers kept peeping, and in at the door and along the floor, the sun rays came creeping. So I opened wide the sash and tried to tell them you are sleeping. So again and again, you are all from early morning you'll get up now. You must open your windows and all. When you open the windows, there will be some jasmine flowers and all, and it will be keep peeping inside the window and near the door also, and along the floor, inside the floor, so sun rays will be falling. So we must keep the doors and windows open wide, and they say that still you are sleeping. Next page. Awake, my dear, the winter drear has fled with all things dreary. But quickly by, the spring will fly, and soon the birds will weary. Awake while yet the dew is wet, and day is young by dreary. So again this author is saying that, get up, my child, the winter will be dull and it has fled all the things dull and has kept all the things dull. So be quick, and otherwise the spring will go off. When the spring season comes, all the flowers will be blooming, it will go off, and so get up quickly, and soon all the birds will get dull. So get up quickly, and the dew means the dewdrops will be falling morning, no? It will be wet. So, and day is young, my dreary. Dreary means dull. Creeping means moving slowly. It will be moving. Okay, children? So, once again, I will read this poem with the spellings. Okay, children? AWAKE, awake. MY, my. PET, pet. WHAT, what. SLUMBERING, slumbering. YET, at. WHEN, when. THE, the. DAY, day. S was so. WRM, warm. And B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. T-H-E, the, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. T-H-A-T, that, W-E-P-T, wept. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. T-H-E-Y, they, S-L-E-P-T, slept. O apostrophe E or over. T-H-E, the, D-A-R-K-N-E-S-S, darkness. O-F of, Y-E-S-T-E-R, Esther, N-I-G-H-T, night. H-A-V, have, L-I-S-T-E-N-E-D, listened, L-O-N-G, long, T-O-2, T-H-E, the, L-A-R-K-S, larks, W-I-L-D, wild, S-O-N-G, song. A-N-D and A-W-O-K-E, awoke, W-I-T-H, with, T-H-E, the, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning, L-I-G-H-T, light. A-G-A-I-N, again, A-N-D and A-G-A-I-N, again. T-H-R-O-U-G, through, T-H-E, the, W-I-N-D-O-W, window, P-A-N-E, pain. T-H-E, the, J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers, K-E-P-T, kept, P-E-E-P-I-N-G, peeping. A-N-D and I-N in, A-T at, T-H-E, the, D-O-O-R, door, A-N-D and A-L-O-N-G, along, T-H-E, the, F-L-O-O-R, floor. T-H-E, the, S-U-N-N-Y, sunny, R-A-Y-S, rays, C-A-M-E, came, C-R-E-E-P-I-N-G, creeping. S-O-I-O-P-E-N-E-D, opened, W-I-D-E, wide. T-H-E, the, S-A-S-H, shash, A-N-D and T-R-I-E-D, tried. T-O-2, T-L-L, tell, T-H-E-M, them, Y-O-U-U, W-R-E-R, S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G, sleeping. Awake, my pet, what slumbering yet? When the day so warm and bright, the flowers that wept, before they slept, over the darkness of eastern night, have listened long to the lark's wild song, and awoke with the morning light, again and again, through the window pane. The jasmine flowers kept peeping, and in at the door and along the floor. The sunny rays came creeping, so I opened wide the sash and tried to tell them you were sleeping. Next page. A-W-A-K-E, awake, M-Y, my, D-E-A-R, dear, awake, my dear, T-H-E, the, W-I-N-T-E, of winter, D-R-E-A-R, drear, the winter drear. H-I-S-S, F-L-E-D, fled, W-I-T-H, with, A-L-L, all, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, D-R-E-R-Y, dreary, has fled with all things dreary. Beauty, but, Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, quickly, B-Y, by, but quickly by, T-H-E, the, S-P-R-I-N-G, spring, W-I-L-L, will, F-L-Y, fly. The spring will fly. A-N-D and S-O-O-N, soon, T-H-E, the, B-I-R-D-S, birds, W-I-L-L, will, W-E-A-R-Y, weary, and soon the birds will weary. A-W-A-K-E, awake, W-H-I-L-E, while, Y-E-T, at, awake while at, T-H-E, the, D-E-W, I-S-E is, W-E-T, wet. A-N-D and D-A-Y, day, I-S-E is, Y-O-U-N-G, young, M-Y, my, D-R-E-A-R-Y, dreary, and day is young, my, dreary. Awake, my dear, the winter drear has fled with all things dreary, but quickly by the spring will fly, and soon the birds will weary. Awake while at the dew is wet, and day is young, my dreary. So, this is the poem about morning time. How we must be morning time. We must get up early and be doing something. We must not sleep. We must not be lazy. Okay, children? Any doubt, children? Shall I ask some question, children? First question. Who is the speaker in the poem, children? The speaker is the poet. Who is the speaker means the poet is the speaker. Who second one? Who is he speaking to? So, the speaker is speaking to his pet animals or birds. Third one, name the bird that is mentioned in the poem. So which bird is mentioned in the poem, children? So the poem, the bird that is mentioned in the poem in the morning time is, the bird name is lark. Fourth one, what kept peeping through the window pane? So answer is the jasmine flowers kept peeping through the window pane. Next question, what came creeping along the floor, children? The sun rays came creeping along the floor. Okay, children. Next, fill in the blanks. The dash flowers kept peeping. So, which flowers kept peeping? Jasmine. So, in the dash you must write jasmine. 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 Second one. The dash came creeping. So, who came creeping? Sun rays. So, in the dash you must write sun rays. SUNRAYS. Sun rays. Third one. The dash sang a wild song. So, who sang the song? So, answer is lark. LARK, lark. Fourth one. The dash will fly. So, who will fly, children? So, in the dash you must write spring. SPRING, spring. The spring will fly. Next, fifth one. The day is so dash and bright. So, in the dash you must write warm. WARM, warm. Okay, children. So, these are the fill in the blanks in this poem. Okay, children. Any doubt, children? I think you would have understood this poem. So, in the next class, I will give you class work. Okay, children. Thank you.